dark out here. But Duke needs to do his business and get it over with. Don't take off into oblivion. Spooky out here in the dark. Where are you, Smoochie? Way over there. I don't ever come back out here after dark. Where are you going? What is that back there? Eye shine of an unknown origin. What's in there? Okay, nothing. Come on, dude, man, this is spooky. That's just my breath, because it's chilly outside. No, I no longer smoke cigarettes. Not since 2015 or so. Assuming the position, I hope. Okay, I won't make you watch that. It's a beautiful night. We had a great time at Night of Worship. That'll be on a Facebook page I'll share in a description box below this video. Stars. It's kind of cloudy tonight. All right, Duke. Let's go back. Mooch, what are we doing way out here in the dark? Wait! Ah! Don't trip me. What you doing now? Fixing to go finally make that persimmon cake I've been talking about, because I have a lot of video to edit from tonight. Tonight's great night of worship out at Cooper Hill Farm, which has a YouTube channel literally called Cooper Hill Farm. Go follow it. I'll put that link in the description box. Oh, here comes the annoying neighbor who cannot drive 25 miles an hour down this road, but feels the urge to gun it for the whole 0.2 miles that he has to go before he has to stop. Yeah. They're gone, Smooch. All right, let's go in the house. Where? Shh. Yep. Hear that sound? Annoying neighbor. We're going in. You're not going that way. All right, y'all. Maybe I'll show you that cake when I'm done.